Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jill and your girl is back with another hair video. I don't even know what's happening to my channel, but it seems like this is gonna be a thing, so I'm gonna keep rolling with it. Anyway, so today basically I am showing you how I apply these clip-ins that I made by myself without having to use a needle and a thread, y'all. I can sew. Well, I can sew some tracks onto a cap to make a wig and sew clips onto a track, but so I just didn't feel like it. So I was like, well, let me see what they have at the store. They had these clips, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys later on in the video the clips that I used. But y'all, look at this. Look how natural this looks. I am completely in love with it. So I'm not gonna talk too long. If you guys wanna see how I achieved this look, keep watching. Alright you guys, so I use this brand called Model. I usually use Empire here, which I do like better, but this one wasn't that bad. I had a minimal shedding. I just didn't like how thin the tracks were, and I think with Empire here, you get more hair on the track, and I appreciate that. Anyway, so right here, you see me just measuring the hair, same way you do if you're doing a quick weave. Measure it, cut it, and then you just go ahead and put the clips on. All right, so that's the piece for the back. Nothing too big. Those are the clips I use, you guys. Now with this pack right here, I got about 6 in each pack, and I had about 4 packs. I'm not sure why I thought that was gonna be enough. But do you see in the back right there, you guys, there's 2 clips back there that you will use to actually clip onto the track. Now, you do also have, that's a better look at the clips right there actually, but you do also have the option to sew these onto the tracks as well. I prefer this way. I'm not big on sitting and sewing all day. You guys, I think this hairstyle took me about, I want to say, an hour, and that's everything. Putting the clips on, and actually once I prepped my hair and everything, it only took me about an hour tops. Okay, you guys, so if you can look real close, and I'm so sorry, the lighting was so bad in my bathroom, and I also tried to get it up close, but also, you know, show you how it's done. But if you look real close, you guys, that is just it. You just slip it right on. There's nothing too difficult about this, you guys. Slip it on, and there you have it. So my suggestion would be, you'll see later on in the video that I kind of struggled with if I should add 2 clips on a track or 3. So I tried it both ways. My suggestion would be to put 3 clips on each track. Unless it's like a really short piece, then you obviously only need 2. But for the longer pieces in the back and maybe on the side, my suggestion would be to use 3 clips. So right here, you'll see me just measuring the hair that I cut before up against the full bundle of hair. Because at this point, you don't really need to measure the back of your head again, because you already cut a piece like that, and the back should pretty much be the same length. See the clips hanging on right there, y'all? And when I tell you, the grip on these clips are so good. So good. Like, I was a little scared. I was like, okay, let me just wear it for a day or 2, see what happens. Like, y'all, I had no problem, and it is snug on your head. Okay, snug. So I don't know if I'm ever going back to sewing clips onto tracks anymore, you guys. I think this is just the way for me at this point. Okay, you guys, so how about your girl went to go get extra clips and got her nails done? But but I also decided to use different clips. Now, let me just say this. I was not too thrilled about the clips. I like the first ones better. And these ones, it only came with like, I think 2 in a pack, so I had to buy a lot more. My suggestion would be to go on Amazon so you can find these in bulk, because you're gonna need a lot. Anyway, so this is just me prepping my hair, y'all. It was a hot mess. Your girl been in the gym, and I have not been caring about my hair, just pulling it back and going, or putting it in 2 braids and going. So I'm just gonna do a quick relaxer on myself, because yeah, it's necessary, and that creamy crack gets me every single time. Anyway, so that's just me sectioning off my hair into 4s, and then that's my base. I've been relaxing my hair for years, you guys, so I can get this done in no time. But yeah, that's just me basing the perimeter of my hair. Also, I go down those parts. I don't really go in between the hair like I used to, because at this point, you guys, I only use kitty perm. I have a sensitive scalp, so the only thing that I can use is kitty perm, or like a sensitive scalp relaxer. Yep, so I just take the activator, pour it in the relaxer. I mix it until it is creamy, and that's the consistency you guys are looking for. Basically, I don't use a comb to do this part because I feel like it's unnecessary. I'm just trying to get in and get out. So I just part it with my fingers in little sections, and I just put the perm in the relaxer in each section. I'm sorry, I don't know. I call it perm because I'm from old school, and that's when we was calling the perm back. Now it's called a relaxer, so I'm putting the relaxer in my hair. Yep, and I always start from the front and work my way back. And I do this because I don't leave it on too long, but I need that front to lay, honey. Like, I need my baby hairs to be laid. I need the front of my hair to be laid. Of course, I want the back laid too, but the front is so important. So I always start from the front, work my way to the back. And also, I didn't do it this time, but usually what I do is I put some on the kitchen first. I get them BDBs first, but I didn't do it this time. But I get the BDBs first, then I go to the back, and then you'll see. Also, I want to say, when I'm relaxing my hair, I try not to go all the way down to the ends, because honestly, see, I'm getting that kitchen together. But anyway, I usually don't go all the way down to the ends of my hair, because that has already been permed. That has already been relaxed. So there's no need to put the perm on the ends, because you're gonna over process your hair, right? You're just really trying to get the new growth. So yeah, but towards the end I do add a little towards, you know, on the ends, because I'm about to wash it out anyway. That's me wiping off some of it off my face, y'all. You don't want that permanently on your skin at all. Oh my goodness, look at me. Hot mess, y'all. Hot mess. And let me tell y'all what I did, y'all. So if y'all could tell right there by my edges, I shaved my edges, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. I was tired of my wigs not laying the way I needed to lay, and I went ahead and shaved some of my edges off. Yeah, I ain't doing that again. This is the color that I use to color my hair black. It is a semi-permanent color. No, actually, it's a rinse. I won't even call it. I guess that is semi-permanent. I don't know. Don't get me lying. It's my black rinse that I put in my hair. So at this point, I've washed the perm out, and I have put conditioner in my hair. So once I relax it, I put the conditioner in my hair, I come, and then I start putting the rinse in my head. And I let that sit for about no longer than 30 minutes tops. And y'all, when I tell you this stuff, it has something in it. I think it has like shea butter in it or something. But man, when I tell you, it leaves your hair feeling so good afterwards. And I put a lot on too. Y'all, so here I am just putting the clip-ins in. Now, okay, the tracks where I only had 2 clips on it, I told you guys before, I suggest putting 3 clips, not just 2, because when it kind of pulls, so some of them I had to, like, it's looking natural already, like, come on now. I had to take them out and add another clip, because when you comb your hair, there's that gap right there, so like the comb pulls the track, and you don't want that because that hurts. So my suggestion, again, just put the 3 clips in. you guys. So this is the finished look. I am so pleased with the way this came out, you guys. Like, there's no way I'm ever going back to sewing clips onto a track. It looks so natural. It felt good. I mean, and the hair, like I said, I prefer Empire hair over this hair, but it did not disappoint. Look how good that looks, and it held the curl so well. And minimal shedding, you guys. Anyway, if you guys like what you've seen, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you. And I will be back with some more videos. I have some more content coming your way. Again, if you made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon.